Hello everyone, I am Kamali from final year Triple student. Now I will tell about the key partners. The key partners are essential that help Google sell faster without owning everything itself, and its uses for advancing agencies and marketers that bring revenue. And Google does not chase every advertisement directly. Its agents to do that work, and content creators and publishers. They are YouTube creators, website owners and bloggers. Without them there is no content and no users and no ads. And next one is OEMs and smartphone manufacturers. They are useful for Android services because phone makes pre-installed Google services, and it's useful for technology and cloud partners. Examples ISPs and data center vendors and hardware and suppliers. The next one is customer segment. Customer segments answer WHO Google service. It say X to everyone. You fail consistently. Segment one there have the three or more main segments. The segment one is internet users. Is non-paying internet users. Use search, Gmail, Maps, YouTube for free, generate data and traffic. Its reality is they are not customers, they are value generators. The second main segment is advertisements and business. It is a paying customers.
I would like to explain about the key resources and the value proposition. So in the key resources, it has several sectors like it has the research and development investment, and it also includes the in IT infrastructure, intellectual resources, and it add textures more of that here. And in the next challenge of the value proposition, I would like to add some more extra points it uses in the free search engine and free tools and ads. It targeted advertisement to the people or the customers who were going to see the ads, and content monetization. It made a brief about the company or the product basic, and it shows the displays and management services, most preferred OS, and it gives a hosted web based Google application which created by the software engineers, and who overall through the analyze and give it upon there.
Hello everyone, I am Saravanakumar. I am going to explain the cost structure of our company. First of all, basic the data acquisition cost. Any company actually has the data acquisition. It is basically the cost of maintaining the data of our customers from the beginning of their purchases, in-app options, and their day-to-day email IDs, passwords, etc. Next, we have the R&D cost, research and development. We have to have the research and development in any field, and have to research new comings into the field and have any of the developments are according to the technologies, and also do the development according to that. Next we have the sales and marketing cost. This is the most of the cost that we have been implemented, because anything we have done, we have to do the sales. This sales actually gives the revenue later, so we have to do the sales. And then the marketing cost, the marketing is basically the cost of showcasing our services to everybody of the customers. This helps in getting more revenue to us. So this is our cost structure. Now I'm going to explain the revenue streams. The revenue streams are basically Google advertisement platform. If we have an advertisement platform, we have able to give the this ads actually generates an amount for us through the watching of ads of through our customers. Next we have the uh, a play store like services. If we have an app store, that app store actually gives us one of the revenue. This revenue can be generated by the purchasing of those apps by the customers on the day-to-day usage of them. Next we have the in-app purchases. If we also have the in-app purchases like subscription premium of any of those products buying through that, or any of materials being bought through that app, and we can implement that as an in-app purchases. And other belts of advertisement, if we have an advertisement over the in between the apps and also in between the videos, this also generates one of the revenue streams for our company.